everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I am talking to you about a bag that I no longer have, so I can't show you it obviously, but I had a Gucci Soho Disco bag in black. I think maybe about, I want to say like 4 years ago. If you go back on my channel, I did a video on what fit in my bag, I believe. And from there, I wasn't really reaching for it at all. So in turn, I sold it. Now, can I just say, I actually went on the Gucci website just before, just to see if they actually still sold the bag. Now, they are $1,685. I am like, I don't know if that's gonna focus, in Australian dollars. So I remember when they were like, well, I feel like when I got it, it was around like $1,100 or $1,200. So like price increases scare me when I haven't been keeping up with the market. Anyway, regardless, why did I get it? Now, to be very honest, at the time, I was really about bigger bags. It was, smaller bags were only starting to become all like the trend, and I definitely got caught up in the hype. I didn't really research it. I didn't really look at anything else. It was just like a bit of a FOMO moment, I guess. I just wanted to have it because everyone else had it, I guess, which sounds so insane. But yeah, like I said, I wasn't reaching for it, and when I was using it, I just didn't find that it worked for me. I was so used to my Louis Vuitton Neverfull and just throwing so much stuff in that the smaller disco bag just didn't work. Now, I'm not saying that it was the Gucci bag itself. I feel like any bag that I had at that point probably wouldn't have worked. It was just not the time for me to have a small bag. One thing also I noticed, obviously the leather is super soft, and it was just becoming quite misshaped, which I didn't particularly like. I know a lot of people don't mind that, but for me, how it looked, it was just starting to look like really worn down. Even though I wasn't using it, it was just sitting there and changing shape, and just, yeah, I didn't like that particular look. Now, I don't know if they've changed the way that these are made now, because a lot of the videos that I've seen, they don't look like they're super soft or anything. So definitely leave a comment, let me know if they have changed how they're made, because yeah, how mine looked was just really, like the top in particular and around the zipper was just super, like, what's the word? I need to like think before I start these videos. Like, it was just really like out of shape in a way. So yeah, as I said, I did sell the bag. I really don't have any regrets at all, and I wouldn't buy that bag again personally. So since then, I have actually purchased a Louis Vuitton Alma BB, which is absolutely everything I want in a bag at this present time. And it's actually shown me without realizing that the thing about the Soho bag that the Alma has is the top handle. So yes, I definitely wear the Alma crossbody, but I do find myself holding it by the handles quite often, which is something I didn't realize with the Soho bag that was an issue for me. So if you are looking for a smaller bag, I personally think a top handle, as much as you feel like you might not need it or use it, it's surprising to me how much I have definitely appreciated it. So I think from now on, unless I'm looking for like I have a Saint Laurent clutch bag, unless I'm looking for like an evening bag like that, which I'm not going to be using every day obviously, then for me personally, I will always go with a top handle bag. But yeah, size wise, I did did find it quite small, but again, that's just because I believe that at the time I was all about the Neverfull. I was all about the massive bag, just easy to throw everything in, carrying too much stuff around, so it just worked. But now every time I use the Neverfull, which is literally like it's sitting here, I need to put it away a couple of times a year basically, when I need to like carry a lot of stuff, just really appreciate the small bag. So if you have the Gucci bag and an Alma, or the Alma, or just the Gucci bag, let me know your thoughts on it, and definitely let me know if they have changed the way that they're made. As I said, I don't feel like I would repurchase the Soho bag, or I believe it's the camera bag. The camera bag, I also looked at that because I wanted a beige crossbody bag as well, but yeah, I just feel like top handle is important to me. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.